Guys, today I am going to show you Microsoft Word. I will explain each and everything. I will explain the tools in Microsoft Word. So let's start. There are many ways to open Microsoft Word, and I will tell you the three ways. So the first way, you click on Start button, then go to All Programs. There you will find Microsoft Office, and here you will find Microsoft Word. This is the first. The second one, you can write here Word, it will come Microsoft Word. Okay, and the third one, on the top of the list you will find Microsoft Word. Okay, so now I open from here. First thing, you should know why we use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word we use for many different purposes, like documents, creating a book, letter, applications, and so on. So this is the first screen of Microsoft Word. So you see on the top there are too many menu bars, and there are many tools we will use step by step. So the first, we will start from home. Today I will explain you from home, some tools from home, some from insert, some from page layout. So first we started. Suppose I write here hello world. Just I wrote it. Now in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, you have to perform some action. So first you select the text, and then you perform the action, otherwise it will not apply. So first you will drag the mouse on your cursor, or you can double click on it, so it will select. So now I have to change the size of this text. I will click here, I will change the size whatever I need. Suppose I need 36. Okay, now I will leave as it is because I have to perform other actions. So I change the size. Now I have to make bold, italic, and underline. Now what is bold? Now it will be more bold, it will be italic. See, you change this, you can underline this. Okay, these three tools. Okay, now this is very common tools. So now we have to change the style of our text. You see here font style, you just click here. Yes, before the font size there is font style. Now you can change the font style whatever you want. The preview will be on your screen. Suppose I select this one. Now you see I change the style, I change the size, I make bold, italic, and the line. Now I have to change the color of the text. You see here we are still in the home, we are performing all the actions in home. We will click a font color, which color we want it. Suppose I like this color. Okay, now this is the text color. Now the highlight, I have to highlight this hello world. So before the font color I will see highlight, text highlight. I can apply which color I want. Suppose this one. Okay, now I perform these actions. I am still in the home again. Now you see, if this is the heading, so I have to make it in the middle, not in the right or not in the left, in the middle. So what will I do? Again in the home, you see after the font color there are alignment. This is right, left, center, justify, all. So if I make left, it will go there. If I make center, it will come in the center of the page. So now if you perform all these actions, now I will go to insert. From here, just I will tell you this too. Insert. Now what we will do in insert, I have to create the table. I have to write some mark sheet or some data in the table. So I will go to insert, then there is tables. In the tables there are, these are columns and these are rows. So how many columns, how many rows you need it, you can draw also from here. How many columns, how many rows. Suppose I take 4 rows and 4 columns now. Once you finish this, so you will find on the top there are many different types of tables. You can use these tables also. If you don't find it, so you will double click on this plus sign, and you will find this. Now suppose I write here name maths English IT. Here I write suppose Ali Ahmed. I write here 50, 40, 40, 48. Here I write 35, 50. You see, in every text this underline is coming and the italic is coming because I performed in the first one. So I have to remove this. I don't want this thing in this, so I can click again here. Okay, I can change the size also for this. First I will select and I have to make the size low. So this is the table now. Now I have to insert some shapes in my document, or I have to draw some shapes here. So again I will go to insert, click on shapes. You will find many of the text shapes here: arrow, rectangle, oval, circle, whatever I need. So suppose I take this smiley face. Once I draw it, you will see the color. I can change the color from here. Okay, now again these are the shapes I took from insert and the shapes. Now I have to insert the picture. If I want to insert some pictures here, so I will click here on the picture. From my computer I have to insert some pictures. I can take any of the picture and put it here. Suppose this one. To see this pictures, I put it here. But now I don't want picture. Okay, khalas. Now everything I did it. Now I come in page layout. Related from the page, I will perform all the actions from page layout. Suppose I have to change the page color now. First I will click on page layout. There is a page color. You can select what color you want. There are more colors you can find here, which color you want it. Or again I go there in page color, fill effects. If you want to make 2 or 3 colors, or you want texture, or you want pattern, or you need to put the picture on background, so whatever. Suppose I take this texture. Okay, I can take the pictures if I want to. Suppose fill effects, if I have some pictures here as a background, I can make the picture. Suppose I choose this one. Okay, to see. Okay, now I have to change the border. I have to create the border. So what will I do for the border? There are 2 types of border. You will find it. Click on the border. See these types of borders with the lines. Suppose I take this one, or I have the borders with the images. I can change the thickness, I can change the color, which color I wanted, thickness, or if I need to increase the thickness. Okay, now the second color, the second border is here with the picture. Suppose you need the pictures with your borders. Suppose I select this one. Okay, so here you can see. Now we did this. The last thing for today, we will do watermark. What is watermark? Watermark is basically some text on the background. Nobody can remove. You can type on it. You will see it. Suppose I go there in the same page layout, watermark. There are some watermarks by default. You can, if you want to take this confident, no, don't copy. If you want to create your watermark, so click on custom watermark. You can write your name in the watermark. You can do anything, whatever. You can put the picture. If you have the picture, so it will come in the watermark. Usually we use text. Suppose I write here, suppose shiny. I can change the style if I want. I can change the language. I can change the color for the watermark. Suppose this color I choose, apply. So see, this is the watermark. Now nobody can remove this. Okay, so I hope you will understand all this thing. If you need any question, any inquiry, so you can just write in the comments. And please subscribe and like my channel so you can get the new softwares or new notification about my channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, today I am going to show you